iPhone 16e versus Samsung Galaxy S25. When it comes to display size, the iPhone 16e features a stunning 6.1 inches, providing a perfect balance for one-handed use and immersive viewing. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 offers a slightly larger 6.2 inches, maximizing screen real estate for your favorite content. Both displays are designed to offer vibrant visuals, but the choice depends on your preference for screen size. The iPhone 16e boasts a powerful 48-megapixel main camera, delivering exceptional clarity and detail, ideal for capturing those precious moments. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 takes it up a notch with a 50-megapixel main camera, plus additional lenses for versatility, including a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. If you're into photography, the S25 may give you more creative options. Storage options are crucial, and the iPhone 16e provides a solid range with 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, all paired with 8GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 steps it up with the same storage options, but includes 12GB of RAM, ensuring top-notch performance even with heavy usage. For power users, the S25 might just be the better choice. In terms of display resolution, the iPhone 16e offers a sharp 1170 by 225 by 532 pixels, ensuring crisp text and vibrant images. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 features a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, which still delivers a great viewing experience, but may lack the same level of sharpness as the iPhone. If pixel density is your priority, the iPhone takes the lead here. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by the Apple A18 chip, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficiency. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S25 features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which also delivers impressive speed and multitasking capabilities. Both phones are built for performance, but Apple's chip often leads in optimization for its software. Battery life is essential for daily use, and the iPhone 16e packs a 4005 mAh battery, ensuring you can go throughout the day without worrying about recharging. The Samsung Galaxy S25, with a slightly smaller 4000 mAh battery, still offers robust performance, but the difference in capacity might give the iPhone a slight edge in longevity. For selfies, the iPhone 16e comes with a 12-megapixel front camera equipped with features like PDAF and a depth sensor for enhanced portrait shots. The Samsung Galaxy S25 also sports a 12-megapixel selfie camera with dual-pixel PDAF for quick focus. Both are excellent for capturing those perfect selfies, but the iPhone's additional depth sensor may appeal to those who love portrait modes. In terms of build quality, the iPhone 16e features a sleek glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel. The Samsung Galaxy S25 also sports a glass front and back, enhanced with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for better durability. Both devices are crafted for elegance and resilience, but the extra protection on the S25 could be a deciding factor for some. The chipset is crucial for performance, and the iPhone 16e utilizes the Apple A18, designed for seamless integration with iOS. The Samsung Galaxy S25, on the other hand, is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which excels in Android environments. Depending on your ecosystem preference, each chipset offers unique advantages. The iPhone 16e features a Super Retina XDR OLED display, providing stunning colors and deep blacks, perfect for media consumption. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 boasts a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and an immersive experience. For gamers and content creators, the S25's display type could be a game changer. When it comes to video capabilities, the iPhone 16e supports 4K recording at various frame rates, ensuring professional quality video. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 takes it up a notch with 8K video recording, offering stunning detail for those looking to capture the highest quality possible. If video is your focus, the S25 might be your best bet. Lastly, let's talk price. The iPhone 16e starts at a competitive $599, making it an attractive option for those seeking high performance without breaking the bank. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is priced at $800, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. Ultimately, your budget could sway your decision.